Welcome to the spirit of exploration and immersive experiences.
Kwame Nkrumah, the very first president of Ghana. First president of Ghana. Thank you, Mr. Kwame. It's so beautiful. What can we say? History. We're living our dream. History. His story and my story. First time in Ghana, but definitely not my last. Great, wonderful.
What has the experience been?
Listen, I'm Jamaican, so our foods are very similar. It's just that we call them little different names, but it's almost the same thing. This is my ancestral land, Ghana. This is where my people came from when they cast us off the slave ship. So I'm Ghana. I'm home. Yes.
Let's start off with you.
I'm performing tonight. Am I? I didn't know. I'm still in love with you, boy. My name is Marcia Aiken.
And I was singing the song with you.
So I feel blessed and highly favored to be here. Yes. And I would love to just continue to be a musical ambassador, but also an ambassador for Jamaica to Ghana.
This has been long coming.
It's been a long time coming, but I know this change is here. Oh yes it is. Yes.
This door is original for the British.
Right, what you say?
Charlie. I am taking the Queen, of course, Marcia, to, of course, the Black Star, where we, of course, gained independence in 1957. The relevance of the Black Star in reference to, of course, Marcus Garvey.
Marcus Messiah Garvey. Power to the people. Wisdom from above. Rock Factory in the house and in your face. Rock it, rock. Love it. Big up the rock. My name is Marcia Aiken, and a friend of nobody else but the solid rock. You see when you look at the rock, man, you know why her name is Rock. Love you, Rock. I'm home. I'm back home. I'm thinking of maybe even living here. Even time to kiss me. I don't know why. I love you, baby.